Does snacking before sleep affect your sleep? Did you know that your metabolism actually slows down when it's time to go to sleep? And your digestion will actually slow down as well. But because of our normal metabolism functions, if you have a snack that's nutrient dense within a calorie range of 150 to 250 calories, that's rich in protein and rich in high fiber carbohydrate, it can actually help the body's metabolic function to stabilize blood sugar and to give you a more restful and impactful sleep, rather than going to bed hungry and thinking that you shouldn't eat before you go to sleep. So the next time you are hungry before it's bedtime, ask yourself, what kind of nutrient-dense snack can I pack with protein and fiber within 150 calories and 250 calorie snack? Pleasant dreams.